Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it get put together live, send me a message today. Alrighty, I'm going to kick it off tonight with one that I'm excited about. It's this one here in the new, or relatively new, Corsair 5000T case. Yeah, very expensive, but good quality. NZXT Kraken Z73 RGB with the addressable screen. Let's get into the components here tonight. So we've gone with the 11600K CPU from Intel, so 6 cores, 12 threads, unlocked and overclockable. Then we've got the B560A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard from Asus. We got 32 gigabytes of Corsair memory, so 3200 megahertz CL16 memory. Just a little drive here for Windows here. As discussed, we've got the Gigabyte Aorus Master RTX 3080 here. We've got a 750 watt Corsair power supply here. It's got a 5-year warranty, 80 plus bronze efficiency, but no, that's all right. That's all right. I like getting asked questions because it gives me the opportunity to elaborate on some of this shit. It's always good to get asked questions.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video.